Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, students.
Morning, sir.
How are you today? Even though we have only 3 students, Fazira, Shahrul, and Rizky Hotma, but the show must go on. Yeah. All right. So before we start our lesson today, let's recite Al Basmalah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay. So today we are going to continue our topic, and the topics today it will be about reading comprehension. Okay, let me share the slide. Right, so reading, the topic is, it can be various things, right? But we will be discussing about reading comprehension. Okay, so and before going further, I'd like to introduce our learning objective today. So the first is you'll be able to identify the detailed information of the text, and then you will be able to state what the text implies, and the next is to state the author's view, and the next is to identify the general information of the text. And the last but not the least, you'll be able to identify, sorry for the misspelling, identify the main idea or topic of the text. Right, so these are our learning objective today. So here are the texts. Right, so we have 2 texts today, and I'd like to invite all students to be active and to be joining our class discussion. Okay, right, so here is the text. Okay, first you have to read the question and the options. So Rizky Hotma, are you there, Rizky Hotma?
Yes, sir.
Okay, please read the question, Rizky, and the option.
Yes, sir. The main idea of this passage is A. That the American literature was less provincial less than the old. B. That war I caused a dramatic change in America.
This is
C.
World War One, ya,
Center.
Perang Dunia ke-1 ya itu ya, not I. World War
yes, sir.
One.
That war one caused a dramatic change in America.
Okay.
The centers of culture shifted
Culture
from to west.
from east to west. Okay. D.
D. That most people were wary of the new literature.
Okay, so that's the question and the option. Okay, now let's start. First things that you have to do is understanding the question and the option. All right, so now the question is about the main idea of this passage. What is the main idea of this passage? It means it's not only the first paragraph and second paragraph or the last paragraph. It means it will be the whole passage. Okay, so what is the main idea of this passage? Passage is is the text. Yeah, passage means text. Okay, let's try to understand the option. That the new American literature was less provincial than the old. Do you understand? Jadi literatur Amerika yang baru ini itu lebih kurang ya, kurang less. Itu ya, kurang provincial than the old. Provincial itu apa provincial? Provinsi. What is it provinsi? Daerah ya, kedaerahan. So it become adjective. Kurang kedaerahan berarti ya. daripada yang lama, yang lawas. Ya, the new American literature was less provincial than the old. Okay, now B. Apa ini? What does it mean? Pak Zira, what does it mean here? That World War I caused dramatic change in America. Do you understand that? Pak Zira, can you translate into Bahasa Indonesia? What do you understand?
I'm sorry, sir, because the connection are not stable.
Okay. Sahrul, are you there, Sahrul? Can you find the network now? Sahrul is still not there.
Wait a minute, sir.
Okay. That World War I caused a dramatic change in America. Jadi Perang Dunia Pertama itu menyebabkan perubahan yang sangat dramatis di Amerika. And then see that the centers of culture shifted from east to west. Bahwasanya pusat kebudayaan itu berubah, shifted itu berubah, shift, berubah ya. Hotma, can you hear me? Rizky Hotma?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so shifted, what does it mean, Rizky? Apa ini artinya shifted? What does it mean?
Berubah, sir.
Berubah ya, change ya. Ya seperti when you are on the schedule or on duty, for example, your shift is in the morning and then in the afternoon is someone's else ya. It means that's the shifting ya, perubahan ya, perubahan jadwal. That centers of culture shifted from east to west ya, pusat budaya itu berubah dari barat ke timur. D, that most people they were wary of the new literature. Wary itu apa ya? Takut lah, waspada, khawatir ya. That most people were wary of the new literature. Khawatir gitu. Okay, so that is the options. Now we gotta find the topic or the main idea of the paragraph. Can you read that? Shahrul, please read the first paragraph, Shahrul.
The third paragraph, sir.
The first paragraph. The first paragraph, Shahrul. The rapid transcontinental.
The rapid transcontinental settlement and this new urban industrial circumstance of the last half of the 19th century were accompanied by the development of the national literature of great abundance and variety. Yeah. Like new themes, new forms, new subjects, new regions, new authors, new audience all emerge in the literature of this half century.
Okay, just stop until there. Okay, so well, actually, when you are trying to find the main idea, normally you can find in the first line and in the first paragraph. Yeah. So from here, can you find the main idea of this passage or not? Kira-kira sudah ketemu belum? Rapid, what does it mean rapid?
Cepat, sir. Fastly.
Cepat, yeah. So transcontinental, what is that? Transcontinental settlement. Pemukiman ya, settlement itu pemukiman ya. Ya pemukiman lintas benua gitu ya, yang sangat cepat ini. This rapid transcontinental settlement and this new urban industrial Urban, what does it mean urban? Industri perkotaan ya, industri perkotaan. What is this? Ya, iya apa ini? Wah. Okay, so again, this rapid transcontinental settlement and these new urban industrial circumstances of the last half of the 19th century were accompanied by the development of national literature of great abundance and variety. So from that point, can you find the answer or not? Can you? Okay, I translate into bahasa Indonesia. Pemukiman lintas benua yang cepat ini dan keadaan industri perkotaan yang baru pada paruh terakhir abad ke-19 ini disertai dengan perkembangan literatur nasional yang sangat melimpah dan beragam ya. Nih, melimpah dan so abundance ini melimpah ya. Variety is beragam. Line new themes. Apa itu? Baris tema baru ya, baris tema baru, bentuk baru, new forms, kok terus ya. New forms, new subjects, and new regions, new authors, new audiences, all emerge. Semuanya itu muncul dalam literatur setengah abad ini. Ya, emerge itu muncul ya. Jadi dalam abad ini semuanya yang baru-baru muncul. Line new themes, new forms, bentuk baru, bentuk subjek baru, dan new regions, banyak pengarang baru. Dan juga audiensnya juga baru, semuanya itu muncul in the literature of the Habs, muncul di pertengahan abad ini. Well, actually, if you want to try to find the topic of the passage, you can find it in the first paragraph. Jadi kira-kira dapat nggak di situ first paragraphnya, di first paragraph dapat nggak di main idea-nya itu?
Not yet, sir.
Not yet. Nah, oke, sekarang baca lagi deh. So you have to read the second paragraph then. Fazira, can you find out the stable connection? Fazira, are you there?
No stable.
Okay, Rizky Hotma, continue second paragraph.
As a result, at the onset of World War I, breadth and substance of American literature had remarkable. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yeah,
As
continue.
its center of had shifted from Boston to New York in the late
80s, yeah.
Yes.
1880s, yeah. Or 1880s, you say.
1880s. And the search of it to Chicago and the Midwest. No was it products. At least in its popular form, by Solem, typically men from New England, and the old no longer were polite, well dressed, grammatically correct, middle class young people. The central characters in the narrative no longer were these narrative to be set in exotic place and remote time. Longer, indeed, were fictions, poetry, drama, and formal history deceive excitement of literary expressions. No longer, finally, was literature read
Primary
primarily
by
by
young
young,
middle class woman.
middle, primary by young middle class woman.
Okay, stop. So if you were talking about the second paragraph, maka akibatnya, ini akibatnya, ya, this is talking about the result. Ini yang paragraf kedua ini membicarakan tentang akibatnya. Berarti sebelum ada akibat, berarti ada penyebab. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Nah, penyebabnya inilah yang dijadikan sebagai topik. Nah, tentunya kalian harus menemukannya itu di mana? Di first paragraph. Nah, coba cari di first paragraph. Kira-kira ini kan bahas yang paragraf kedua ini talking about the result of that things, ya. The result of that things. Hanya orang lebih kurang sopan, orang sudah beralih dari ini ke sini, itu akibatnya semua. That is the result, all. The result. Ya. So, what actually you can find in the first paragraph. Okay, let's try to understand this rapid transcontinental settlement. So sorry, mine is my screen is on the computer is covered by this apa ini, tertutupi ya. Ya, this rapid transcontinental settlement itu what does it mean? Pemukiman lintas benua yang cepat, rapid ya, yang cepat. Settlement itu pemukiman, dan this new urban industrial circumstances of the last half the 19th century were accompanied by the development of a national literature of great abundance and variety. Nah, coba perhatikan di sini pemukiman lintas benua yang cepat ini dan keadaan industri perkotaan baru pada paruh terakhir abad ke-19 ini disertai dengan perkembangan literatur nasional yang sangat melimpah dan beragam. Baris tema baru, bentuk baru, subjek baru, wilayah baru, penulis baru, audiens baru. Semuanya serba baru yang muncul di pertengahan abad senturi ini. Pertengahan abad ini. Nah, sekarang sebenarnya kita sudah dapat ini di sini. We can find now, ya, pemukiman lintas benua yang cepat ini dan keadaan industri perkotaan baru pada paruh terakhir abad ke-19 ini disertai dengan perkembangan literatur nasional yang sangat melimpah dan beragam. Nih perkembangan, jadi ini ya, gimana caranya ini? Nah, were accompanied by the development of national literature on a great abundance and variety. Adanya perkembangan literatur nasional yang melimpah dan beragam. Apa yang di sini yang beragam? Apa perubahannya? Perkembangannya itu apa? Nah, disinilah perkembangannya as a result ini di paragraf kedua. Sebenarnya sudah kita dapatkan di sini ya. Terus kembali ke soal. So back to the question now. The main idea of this passage is that the new American literature was less provincial than the old. B, that World War I caused a dramatic change in America. That center of culture shifted from east to west. That most people were wary of the new literature. Kira-kira dapat di sini nggak? Nggak dapat?
No, sir. I think no.
Nggak dapat?
No, sir.
Ya, oke. Di sini ada perkembangan pemukiman lintas benua yang cepat dan keadaan industri perkotaan baru dalam pertengahan abad ini kan banyak merubah. Itu diikuti dengan perkembangan literatur juga secara melimpah dan bervariasi. Jadi sebenarnya membahas tentang apa ini? What are they
Yes, sir.
talking about? Apakah dia
Changes of-
membahas tentang American literature? Apakah dia membahas tentang World War I yang menyebabkan perkembangan atau perubahan Amerika secara dramatis? Atau dia membicarakan tentang pusat kebudayaan yang berubah dari timur ke barat? Atau membicarakan tentang ketakutan atau kekhawatiran orang-orang terhadap literatur baru? Nah, dari sini sebenarnya kita udah dapat sebenarnya. Ini sebenarnya topiknya ini membicarakan tentang apa? Akibat ini enggak? Perang dunia enggak? Membahas perang dunia enggak?
No, sir.
Enggak, berarti B is eliminated ya. Ya kan?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir. Yes,
Ah.
sir.
C, C, look at C. Pusat budaya yang berubah dari barat ke timur, dari timur ke barat.
No, sir.
No,
I
sir.
think no, sir.
No. Ketakutan orang-orang terhadap literatur baru, kesusastraan
No,
baru.
sir.
Ya nggak?
No.
Enggak ya. Jadi yang mana ini?
No, sir.
Yang mana ini?
Yeah. Then was last provincial. A, sir.
Is it A? Ya, ini A. Ya, A. Kenapa A? Bahwasanya literatur Amerika yang baru ini kurang kedaerahan dibandingkan dengan yang lama. Dengan literatur yang lama dia kurang kedaerahan. Kenapa? Coba kalian lihat di sini as result. Ya. A spirit and substance of American literature had evolved remarkably. Just as its center production shifted from Boston to New York in the late 80s, and the source of energy in Chicago and the Midwest, no longer was it produced. Jadi nggak lagi diproduksi, at least in the popular forms of the men of solemn, typically moralistic men from New England to the Old South. No longer were polite, nggak lagi sopan, well dressed, grammatically correct, tidak lagi grammarnya benar. Middle class young people, the only central characters in its narrative, no longer were this narrative to be set exotic places and remote times. No longer indeed were fiction, poetry, drama, formal history, and cheap acceptable form in literary expression. No longer. Finally was literature read primarily by young middle class women. Nah, di sini juga ada perubahan di sini. Nah, kenapa dia berubah di sini? Karena kalau di sini kita lihat hasil daripada bentuk literasi yang baru, perbedaan antara literasi baru dengan literasi lama. Ya, literasi baru ini orang tidak lagi sopan, gramatikalnya juga correct ya. Nah, di situ yang terjadi. So from this topic, the main idea of this passage is from A, B, C, D. The most appropriate answer is the new American literature was less provincial than the old. Dampaknya itu di mana? Di paragraf kedua. Di paragraf kedua. Kalau kita artikan ini apa maksudnya? Bahwasanya literatur Amerika yang baru itu tuh kurang kedaerahan dibandingkan dengan yang lama. Can you understand?
Yes, sir.
Ya. Di sini kan banyak dia berubah. Dia membicarakan tentang perubahan literatur lama dengan literatur baru. Karena dia disebut di sini coba development of national literature of great abundance and variety. Jadi perkembangan dunia industri juga diikuti dengan perkembangan literatur nasional besar-besaran ya. Secara besar-besaran. Dan apa? Perubahannya itu di mana perkembangannya? Ya di sini. Jadi kalau kita lihat simpulkan di sini di paragraf kedua, the second paragraph, jadi kurang kedaerahan dibandingkan dengan yang baru gitu. Yang lama, sorry. Okay. The answer for the question number 1 is A ya. Okay, now we go to the second question. The second question, It can be inferred from line 1 to 3 that the previous passage probably discussed. Kalau kita simpulkan dari paragraf 1 dan 3, ya, that the previous passage probably discussed. Jadi, the previous passage probably discussed tentang apa? Teks yang sebelumnya itu kira-kira membahas tentang apa?
B, sir, B. New developments in industrialization and population
Shift. Ya. Oke, kita pahami dulu ya. Kalau kita simpulkan dari paragraf 1 dan 3, paragraf 1 dan 3. Baris 1 dan 3 ya, baris 1 dan sampai 3. Bahwasanya the previous passage probably discussed. Jadi kita membahas tentang teks sebelumnya. Kalau misalkan ada teks sebelumnya, kira-kira teks sebelumnya itu membahas tentang apa gitu. Ya, kita baca dulu paragraf 1 dan 3-nya apa sih? Paragraf 1 dan 3. Baris 1 sampai baris 3 tentang apa? Dia kan this rapid transcontinental settlement and this new urban industrial circumstances of the last half of the 19th century were accompanied by the development of the national literature of great abundance and variety. Jadi dia ya perkembangan pemukiman yang sangat cepat ya, dan keadaan industri perkotaan baru ya, itu juga mengakibatkan perkembangan nasional literatur yang secara besar-besaran dan bervariasi. Nah, kira-kira kalimat sebelumnya atau paragraf sebelumnya atau teks sebelumnya itu membahas tentang apa? Kenapa tiba-tiba muncul paragraf 1 dan 3 seperti ini gitu. Nah, kalau kita simpulkan, so what we probably discuss, the previous passage probably discuss, the importance of tradition and writers. Pentingnya tradisi ya bagi para penulis. B, new developments in industrialization and population shift. Perkembangan baru di bidang industri dan perubahan penduduk. C, the fashions and values of 19th century America. Fashion dan nilai-nilai abad 19 di Amerika. D, the limitation of American literature to this time. Batasan-batasan literatur Amerika saat ini. Kira-kira yang mana yang paling pas? Which one is the best?
B, sir.
Is it B?
In my opinion, it's B.
Why, Shahrul?
Because I see in the first until third line,
Yeah.
paragraph, telling about the new developments in the industrialization and population shift. We can see that this in the paragraph, sir. Just that.
Say again.
We can see that in the first until third line in this paragraph, sir.
Yeah.
This is the change. The new developments is I think just that, sir.
Okay, yeah. So if we can see from the first line to the third line, nah ini kan membicarakan tentang perubahan sih sebenarnya kan? Ya kan, shift itu kan perubahan, perkembangan dan perubahan. Ya, new development, perkembangan baru di bidang industri dan perubahan penduduk. Ya, I think ya di sini kan tentang perubahan penduduk, this rapid transcontinental settlement and this new urban industrial circumstances of the last half of 19th century. Nah, ini kan sudah jelas sebenarnya di sini. Dia membicarakan tentang development in industrialization and population shift. Ya, cuma dia tinggal melanjutkan saja. Berarti kan topik sebelumnya sudah membicarakan tentang industri dan perubahan penduduk ya. Ya. Kalau ini the fashion and values in 19th century ini terlalu jauh ya. Mungkin di paragraf berikutnya mungkin dia karena tidak apa namanya nilai-nilai dan fashion abad 19 di Amerika mungkin terlalu ini ya, nggak masuk dia, belum masuk ya. Right, I think the answer is the new development in industrialization and population shift is the best answer ya. Jawaban yang paling pas seperti itu karena kenapa ya? Di sini kan dia membicarakan tentang penduduk ya. New urban industrial circumstances, keadaan industri perkotaan yang baru. Nah, itu kan masalah penduduk juga ya. The rapid transcontinental settlement. Ya, juga di sini pemukiman lintas benua yang cepat. Di sini juga masalah populasi ya. Nah, kemudian juga were accompanied by the development of national literature of great abundance and variety. Itu diikuti dengan perkembangan literatur nasional. Nah, sebenarnya di sini ya sudah jelas ya, berarti jawabannya adalah the best answer is B, the new development in industrialization and population shift. Ya, perkembangan baru di bidang industri dan perubahan penduduk. Ya, secara umumnya paragraf yang sebelumnya adalah membicarakan tentang perkembangan baru di bidang industri dan perubahan penduduk. Okay, so do we still have time or not? We still have more questions actually, but because of the time, we don't have enough time. So we will continue this text in the next meeting, okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Right, so I think you need to be accompanied by a dictionary when we are talking about reading and comprehension. So make sure that you are accompanied by dictionary. Jadi kalian harus bawa kamus ini. Kalau enggak, you will not understand. Yeah, there are new vocabularies here, and there are some also the idioms that you need to understand. So please bring your dictionary when we are learning reading and comprehension. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Sir.
So who is coming? So is there any more participant here? Oh yeah, Sahrul, Khairia Sifa, Echa, Febi, Umu Salama, Wazira. Okay. Right, I think that's all for today. We close our lesson here by reciting Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alamin.
Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you, sir.
Sir.